How to clean and reattach your hair system. Clean and shave the scalp. Clean off the hair system. Lightly blot the hair system with a towel. Spray in some detangling spray. Spray some alcohol onto the scalp to make sure there is no residue left on the scalp. Create the markers in order to align up the unit in the right place. Spray some scalp protector to make sure the scalp is protected and in good condition. Trim and style the majority of the hair before applying the adhesive. Apply 2 or 3 coats of the adhesive onto the scalp following indicators set in before. Apply the adhesive thoroughly onto the poly base of the unit. Blow dry the base with full heat. Bring the unit aligned up and pull it down on sides. Press the unit down on the scalp. Style the unit to camouflage the front hairline to make the unit look more natural.